Alright, welcome back guys, thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So as you can see, that was the wires that I moved before. If you've been here, you know I put the wires over the top. They're moving that over, so I had to take the switch out. So took the wires straight up, made a junction box up here, tied them all together. I don't have a cover on that yet. I think I forgot that though. Anyways, tied all those wires together and then took a 3-wire out for the switch, which is just going down the wall right here. So the switch will be behind the door instead of when you walk in the door. So that took like an hour and a half. And then I did the same thing on the 5th floor, so I'll show you that in a second, but also just going to show you the next thing in order, basically what I started yesterday at the end of the day. So I'll show you that real quick. Actually, I skipped something, or actually I'm going out of order, but they got some music going, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted for Mexican music. I don't know how that works, but anyways, I hung these lights right here, which took a while because the way that these are angled, I had to get it just right. So one was on the pan deck and one was below it on the little groove, but just the way that the wall is, and anyways, super crazy. So anyways, I finally got it. Just I had to measure, this wire was in the way, so I had to keep holding it up because if you let it go, it'll push the light one way or the other, basically just the one way. But basically I have to hold the wire up and try to measure both sides, make sure it's straight, so when they sheetrock it or whatever, I can throw a strap on it or whatever. It's going into this box, and I didn't put the cover on that also, so anyways, I got a cover problem. But anyways, I got this straight, so once you screw the wire down, it'll be actually straight. But and then this one as well. This one isn't too bad right now. The back end is a little bit hanging to the right, but once you strap that wire down, once they put the sheetrock in, I assume they're sheetrocking this, and then it'll all be good. This one's hanging down on the metal beam. One of these fell out on this one light, and one of them fell out on this light when I was adjusting it, trying to get it straight, so that was annoying. But anyways, got that done into this box, and I actually put that cover on. So as you can see before, the pipe that I ran here for the switches, they just built around it, which is cool. I don't know if they had to redo this pipe right here, but anyways, this is the elevator controller or something, I'm not sure, but just a big old pile of wire on the ground that we didn't do, but someone else was working on. So someone else was doing that, and then did not get to this light yet to set the anchors on this one. That's the only one that I didn't do because someone needed the ladder and took it, and the air gun. So and then finish this light, the first thing at the beginning of the day. Where is the cover? Oh my gosh, I have this like every cover today. So anyways, I will go to the 5th floor real quick right here and show you the next thing I did, which is basically the last thing. So same thing in this room, they moved the switch. So I put up above here, got the cover on it, yay me. Ran the wire across, down the wall, and cut this out. I had to grind a bunch of this out, so hopefully they don't have to replace it, because I cut a ginormous amount out, which I guess I didn't have to. But he wanted it right there, so I accidentally cut a little bit extra, like an inch out or whatever, so hopefully they don't have to replace that. But I moved the switch over there. And then one thing I did forget, which is this bathroom over here. There was a stub of wire hanging out of the wall, just like a piece of MC wire. And then I cut a circle and then mounted the box because there was already a spreader bar in the wall. So just cut the circle out, which didn't turn out too bad, just for freehanding it, tracing the box, cutting it out with the multi-tool, and then screwing it to the plate, and then making up the wire and just sitting it in the box. So that's about it, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by once again. Thanks for all the support, 1,300 subscribers. And make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I live stream or upload a new video. Hopefully I wasn't blocking the sound right there with my hand. Anyways, it was nice to do I didn't mind doing the remodel stuff, like fixing the problems, moving the boxes, because the person that installed them labeled them, so I knew exactly what all the wires were, aka it was me, and so it wasn't really a big deal, and I knew everything that was going on. If someone didn't label it, it would have made the day really annoying. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I already said all this. If you enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it, and I'd love to see you back here tomorrow and grow in community with you guys. And drop a comment if you got any questions, or if you just want to say something. I appreciate it, and I will see you back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.